My name's Aron Curcio and I am Métis. I found out about my Métis history about 9 years ago. Before that, it was hidden in my family because my grandma almost went to residential school. So finding out that I was Métis, I kind of was searching for different ways to learn a little bit more about my culture. And I have learned some beading through a few elders in the Métis Region 3. And so I'm teaching some of the students and staff how to bead the brim of a hat. We're doing this as it is Truth and Reconciliation Month. So being a Métis person, I wanted to share a little bit of my culture with other staff and the students here, just to make it kind of a fun and community thing to do together, as well as like recognizing Indigenous culture at our school.